Hey, Kimmy, baby, I had a book over here in this drawer. You seen it?
You mean a little black book? Oh, honey, I cleaned out those drawers in that whole room and made a big donation to Goodwill. But don't worry, we can get you another one.
Oh, hell no.
You're never going to believe what happened to me today at the Goodwill. I found a book of seed phrases, honey. I can get those hair transplants now. Oh.
Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. I got my eyes on you, and you got no clue what I'm supposed to do. I can't help myself. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. No, you wouldn't take what's not yours. If you know who I am, when the night will fall, I'll haunt your dreams. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. Till I'm complete. Piece by piece, I take back. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back. Little by little, piece by piece. Got a two-tongue weight to my hairline, to my backbone, and it's dragging me around, but I don't listen. All your critics are red, mind your own business. That's right. my time, forth and back, just like that. What comes around goes around, my man. Say hey, hey, say hey, hey. Forth and back, and just like that, you go down for Heaven's Gate. I gotta tell it to the right, we're going down.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome everyone to Late Night Crypto Charts with Road Dogg. My name is Lane and I will be your tour guide tonight as we take a look at the market, see what is going on with crypto. Are we getting that Santa rally that we've been hoping for, dreaming about, watching numbers go up this December? Will it last? Will there be tax loss harvesting? Will you stop asking all these hard questions, Road Dogg, and just get on with the show? Welcome to the stream, whether you're watching this live or watching this later. The information we go over on this channel using the daily and 4-hour charts mostly will put you in a good spot. Even if you're a few days late to the show, the information is still good, still will hold up. A lot of these trade setups we do will last, you know, the information will go good for about a week or more for lots of them. Currently, we're sitting here looking at Bitcoin. Now, if we jump out to the 4-hour, where I like to track it, when I'm on stream anyway, we're just kind of hanging out here around 42,800. We had that nice little drive to the downside. Scared a lot of people right there. Bounced off the 100 moving average. Now we're looking, you know, kind of fine, kind of okay. Bouncing through this green Ichimoku cloud, a little odd, but so far so good. We're still maintaining. We still have a chance to break past this level and again move up toward 44,500. Maybe on up to 46, maybe up to 48. When you zoom out a little bit on Bitcoin, you can really see what's been going on here. And it's just that we broke out of this channel, we came up, and then we came back, we retested it, and now it's time to be along our merry, merry way to the upside. At least that's what I see, that's what the charts are telling me. And I'm kind of eyeballing this area right here, about 48,200. As soon as I can get this chart to cooperate with me. So with Bitcoin just kind of doing okay and hanging out sideways a little bit, we come and check our indicators here. We can see that Bitcoin dominance has been coming down, and with it coming down means that altcoins usually go up, which they have been. And if you follow me right over here, top right-hand corner, you can see that the altcoins bounced off of here, and they have been going up, and they will continue to go up until they come to an area of resistance. Now, where will that be? We could be getting fairly close to it, although we may have to do a little bit of zooming out. Possibly another a good 20 billion coming in before we see any headaches to really get concerned about. People still continue to sell out of their dirty fiat, US dollar and Tether stable coins, USDC and the like. Putting them mostly into altcoins right now, not so much in the Bitcoins so far. Been a little bit of a sell-off, or a little, the Bitcoin dominance, it has fallen. Meaning altcoins are taking just a little bit more favor right now. Strega, how's it going, my man? And we got Bo. How's it going, Bo? All right, so I got some coins to go over. Basically, right now, at this point, we're kind of at, we were here, I don't know, it's been several weeks ago, but maybe a month ago. Weeks and months, they can start running in together after a point. But we get to the point where, well, things are starting to go up, and it's like, well, it's not really the best place to buy. It's kind of like, now we just kind of have to ride with what we got. There are, you know, what's the word I'm trying to think of? There are some exclusions out there. We've just got to go out there and find them. Looks like right now on the hour, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here on altcoins. Getting a little bit more red there. Let me go to the top 100 here. But man, top 100 looks awfully nice. See Bonk, Luna C, Tau, CFX are taking the show here. HNT made a nice little gain today. Wonder what's behind that. Orca, we've looked at that quite a bit, and we'll look at it again today. Storage is doing pretty nice on the top 200. Coming to the top 300. Well, there's like POW, Key, and Metis. We'll go to our little watch list we got over here. The ones that have been up for the year. It's like Wagme Games is getting a little come up there. Stubu, Slim, Dio, Trade, Aleph, or Alf. Let's go ahead and let's get to our charts here. I am going to start off with one we looked at a little while ago that I put out and said that, hey man, I think this one's getting ready to do something. This is SUIP. You guys remember SUIP? SUIP, depends on how you want to say this one. We're up here right now on the daily chart at almost 15 cents. Now it's been up here before, and we're kind of flagging out. Let's come down to a smaller time frame. Before we do though, let me just point out what we got going on here on the daily. You think it's too late? Nope, it's just getting started. You just now got your buy signal on the daily right here for SUIP. Tether over on MEXC, over on KuCoin. Available several places, but notice here with me on the daily chart before I switch over that we're riding above the 9 moving average. We got the cross of the 50 over the 200. Everything looks juicy for some more upside. Most notable is that my Michimoku cloud is being very thin and spindly over here, very far away from price action. It's not all big. It's not a big thick cloud. It's just sitting there right for price action to come into. No. It's got its distance and it's very thin, which is giving me that little inkling that's saying, hey baby, we're getting ready to rock and roll here with SUIP. Where are we headed? Well, I've got this little measure move that will quite possibly tell us right here. I've got a target at 22,005. I'm sorry, it does say 22,000, 22 cents, 22.59 cents. 22,000. What's wrong with you, Road Dog? And from where we currently are at this present moment in time, were you not advisable to just say, oh my God, I can't stand it, I gotta jump in right now? I don't advise it. I really don't. I don't. We go to smaller time frame, zoom in, and let's kind of nail when our best entries is. But it is above the 9 moving average on the 4 hour, and that does give us a nice inkling that, yeah, it's going to continue going up from here, where it is up to 22 cents and a half, 22.59 cents. It is a 60% move, ladies and gentlemen. Not bad at all. More upside coming for SUIP. Now, if you want to try to zoom in and see where you could get in on this, well, I'm going to tell you, man, about 14 cents might be your best shot there, as we should come back and retest that area that we just cleared. We cleared it. There's that 13.9, 14 cents right through there. Basically, not too far away from that right now, and just getting ready to make a nice little move, in my personal opinion. Moving right along up to that 1618 area. Loves it. Gots to loves it. And I just like to pull my fibs out and play with them every once in a while. Excuse me for a moment. I'm also going to target this little area right here at 24.6 cents just because I likes it. SUIP pad. It's been going up and will continue to do so. So got a nice one right there. And I think actually I'm going to go ahead and make a copy of this little guy right here. I'm going to send him over to our trade setups here. Over on the Telegram group. Trade setups right there. And SUIP. Oh, what chart was I on when I took that picture? I'm on the 1 hour. I guess that will work. All right, so we just shared that over there and posted a setup right there. All right, so next one after SUIP, we're just going to take a very quick look at Tau. That one has just been going off the chain, off the charts. Prettier than what I do. Mine are more abstract, I think. But she's going in the right direction there. Got to bounce off this trend line and headed toward the top of this one now. That trend line comes in about 418, and that's just the top of the trend line. Can we get us a nice little guesstimation about where this one's going? I'm watching this one very closely, personally. If you're looking for a pullback, there might be a pullback to about $360. It might happen. It might not happen. It might happen in, next week. But what I'm looking that could possibly happen here with Bitmart or Tau, the way the market's been, and it could, prices could come on up here at the top of the channel and break out, and we could start looking at even more parabolic movement. Possibility. I'm gonna keep my eye out for that. Not saying that's going to happen. Otherwise, what normally would happen is we come up here, we get rejected, and well, we come back down to the bottom of the channel, and we just kind of bounce into here until the one time that we don't. So either way we go, I see some upside for BitTensor, and just looking here at the 1 hour chart, have not broken that trend line. We're solid for some more upside. I think she's going to try to take out 416. We're sitting at 385. Hard to imagine when you zoom out on this one. Look how crazy this guy has been. And what a trend line this one has been on. Let's just track this a little bit, see if we can draw some lines in the sands. Know when to get out. This white trend line would be my line in the sand. If this starts breaking that, I would consider taking some serious profits, maybe getting out of a position. But right now, there's no signs of that happening. There's only signs for more upside out of Dow. Now, how far could Dow go? Oh, we'll do a little Fibonacci magic here with our trend extension. As soon as I can get it to work with me. Swing low to swing high down to the next swing low. Gives me some crazy target possibilities that I'm going to just lay out here before you. And I know it sounds like it's almost impossible to think of now, but give this guy a few weeks and may not seem that impossible. I'm shooting for $551. That's the next target that I've got on my list. From there, 645, then 741. We're sitting at 386. Yes, this one will double from there. In my most humble opinion, I liked how she has been doing very well. Now, another one we looked at recently, I give you guys a heads up. Hey, this one's getting ready to do something. This was Astra DAO. Take a look at this at MEXC, and what did it do? It did something. Now, why do I not have a trade set up here? Did I do it on a different, Interesting, okay. I can't answer that question. Anyway, Astra DAO. She's doing some very interesting things here. We're in definitely in a megaphone pattern, testing those tops right there. Got a little bit more that we could go. See if we can get a handle on this little guy, because she just wants to take off. Oh yeah, okay, so I think she's getting ready to top out. That's just my thoughts from what I'm seeing here on the price action. We'll take a closer look here. I think she's getting about ready to pull back. So this is expected to be one that could very well 100 or 200x by Ian Bellina Token Metrics, and hey man, he gets things right a lot of times, so can't knock him. So why not follow it, you know? I'm looking for a pullback back to these areas right here. From that juicy area, we may have to wait and see on that one. But I'm looking for a setup, something along the lines of this. But first, we got to get that little pullback, which I believe will continue up higher, get rejected to these areas, and then we'll come back down to the bottom of this pattern. Let's make a phone. Just kind of what I'm looking for Astra DAO is what I'm seeing on the daily chart. I want to come down to the 4 hour just to see if I miss anything. It still looks kind of bullish on the 4 hour so far to go up to the top there, but I do see it kind of getting rejected up there. We'll keep our eye on that one. Moonlight Supernova says, hey Road Dog, can you look at Neox? Okay. Bobo says that Binance is running out on well, they're running out of ICP tokens, is that right? That'd be interesting. So Neox, take a look at Neox. Not even sure what that is. Neox, well, it's going at 0.0045, so about half a penny. It's 21 billion maximum supply, 4 billion in circulation, so there's a lot to be unleashed over the next few years, however long that goes. Interesting little market size cap here at 18 million. That's in a that's in that little range that makes our little ears perk up, right? Because this is where you can make some big bucks. We find one that's somewhere around 18 to 50. Oh, that's right, pickings. That's nice. That's nice. Even at 100 to 200 million's not bad, but if you're looking for the little small cap ones that can give you all those big X's, This is the perfect area, the 18 million area. The only problem is they could turn out to just be a bunch of vaporware, rug pull on you, just be a bunch of crap, be a KuCoin. Or it could turn out to be something that's really good. So we like to take a look and see what the use cases are on everything. Look at its history here. Its all-time high was over a year ago at 2.4 cents. So that's nice. It's down 81% from that, almost 82%. And look at the chart here. It just kind of looks like your typical bear market bullcrap. All right, so I'm trying to see what you do. I should have went over to CoinMarketCap. Verify you're a human. Well, that was easy. I think even a bot could do that. Nexa Network blockchain, download law, proof of work. Okay. Well, you get my respect for that. I like proof of work. Play to earn, smart nodes, gaming portal, and marketplace. Mining hash rate, 693 gigahash, difficulties. Okay, cool. So I like things. I like proof of work. It's my favorite. Pioneering blockchain and cryptocurrency project. Next is an innovative proof of work cryptocurrency that seamlessly merges the realms of gaming and cryptocurrency. How are you doing that? With Nexa, you no longer need to spend your time gaming for free. Instead, you can harness the power of your gameplay to earn rewards that can be utilized for your in-game purchases and much more. So, proof of work, I like that. Allocates 45% reward to miners. Proof of work consists of algorithm. Yeah, but okay. Interesting play to earn kind of game thing. Let's go ahead and let's go check out the charts here. See, they've got it over on Mexi and on CoinX. I'm gonna come over to the weekly chart, take a look. All right, let's get a few little buy zones out of the way here. All right, so I'm on the weekly chart, going to come down to the daily now. I got a few little buy zones established right there. We're going to pull back. We've been finding some support here at the 618 Fibonacci area, so that's kind of cool. Maybe we'll stay there. Maybe we won't. We got a cross of the 9 over the 21. That means we're not bouncing up right now is what I'm trying to say. On the daily, it means that we might actually come back down and test those areas again at that Fibonacci area since we haven't got a real solid touch there. That's at 0.0038. We're currently sitting at 0.0045, so that would be a little bit of a drawdown of about 11-12% from where we are right now. Not a fun ride to ride. However, there is some upside as this target right here, this 1411 Fibonacci area, will be our juicy target. Why is that? Well, because when I take a little measure move from this swing high to that swing low, and I put it at the breakout of what potentially would be a falling wedge, down at this 618 area, it just kind of takes me up to this 414. That's how that works. See the mathematics in that? Not too complicated. You can do it. Therefore, I think that a nice little setup could possibly be, and I am looking honestly right here. Oh, got to change it now. What I do? Yeah, I want you yellow. So maybe 0.004. Just right there in that area would be a nice place to kind of catch that if possible. It may have already bounced there, but if it gets to break out of this trend line, we'll definitely start heading up to was that 1 penny? A little over a penny there. That would give a nice gain of about 159 basically percent for that trade setup. And even if you don't catch the whole 158, can you live with 98%? 105%? Does that work for you? So, I mean, you don't have to make these things perfect, but to give you an idea of what to expect, if by chance that this area does not hold, and you know, with the moving averages crossing like that, there is that chance and that possibility. It's not so great that we see those crossing so strongly right there, but you know, only time will tell. But if it does not hold, we can be looking for these areas right down to about 0.0029. Let's put a little price tag there. Where did my price? Who stole my price tags? Bring them back, man. Come on. Let the man have his price tag. There's one of them right there. We'll put the other one. Well, I guess this will be your first one. But the area that I'm actually trying to, that I think would be good to buy, it would be this one right here. And then the area for selling this little guy. And you know what? That's a nice looking trade setup, I think. This is what, Neox? We'll share a little love here. Neox, which is Neoxa. This is on what, MEXC? And this is what, a daily chart? And that was what, 159% gains? All right. So we'll just send that over there, click that, make sure it comes out all right. And got a nice little chart trade set up, how to play this little guy out right there. Nice. Neoxa. All right. Gilderme says, I bought Territory earlier today. Insane gains so far. Territory? I haven't heard of that one. What is Territory? Let's go to this guy because he will tell us. Okay, Tory. I think I've seen that ticker symbol. I think I've seen them bubbles or something, right? Territory, what's going on with this guy? It's got a tiny market cap. Maximum supply is, what is that? Is that billion? That's, yeah. Maximum supply is just a little over a billion. Total supply is 200 million. Fully diluted market cap says that it is $43 million. That's fully diluted. So this thing's gotta have a tiny market cap. It would basically be about 80% of that. Wow. Let's see. All-time high for this little guy was 7 hours ago when it reached 4 cents. Booyah. All-time low was 9 hours ago. So this got brand new. And when it was 3 cents. So, oh, it's on. You're on osmosis? How did you slip past me? I'll be darned. Man, and I just did something with my rewards too, didn't I? Here's one to put on the list, I think. Osmosis project. Then let's take a little deeper look, find out what Tori does. The Cosmos ecosystem is pretty much banging. It's starting to grow a lot. It's interoperable. One of the biggest things about it. Let's see. And a lot of the project, the whole thing's starting to blow up. All the coins over there. Territory token is the Territory Network's native utility token used as a primary means to govern, secure the blockchain, incentivize ecosystem contributors, and various Territory DApp features. Well, that doesn't really tell me much of anything about what you are. I hate to say that. Let's go to the website and check out the Super DApp. A Super DApp? For the for unstoppable organizations. Oh, you mean like the Gambino family? They're pretty unstoppable. You deal with the Gambino family. Join Territory. You even got that Italian kind of sound. Yeah. I think this coin is connected. What is it? You can enter the app, download. Let's see what we got. Territory. What are you doing? The ultimate all-in-one experience. Unlock endless possibilities with curated communities, marketplaces, and entertainment. Connect and share with your tribe. Connect, contribute, and can you create together to build the future of your community. Token-gated groups, community launcher, social feed, gamified OS experience, monitor. Whether you're a talented freelancer or a dApp builder, a project founder, or a trader. What is this? Token-gated groups. That sounds interesting as crap to me. I could see. I've been waiting for something like this to come out on Telegram. Because you know they have exclusive with YouTube and everything. What is the things that the tiers? Patreon, that's one thing, and then YouTube has their own little things. Then people will have their groups and Discords and Telegram groups. Mine is free, by the way. But I can see I've been wondering when's blockchain going to come in and start eating with this niche, and this looks like it's kind of in that area. I mean, it does a lot more than what I'm thinking of it, but the use case I'm seeing as is, I can see how people doing some of these private Discord groups could utilize this and oh, okay, it looks interesting. This is Territory. Unfortunately, we're not going to have much of a chart on this guy, are we? Except for maybe on Osmosis. Let's see if we got whoopsie baby. Man, I have not been able to get my Astrobot to work on my token metrics thing lately. Here we go, Territory. Let's see. We did that, right? This one. And you can trade Wawa against Tory too. Oh, that's funny. Wawa's been doing pretty good lately. With most of the memes have. All right, so let's take a look at Territory on the chart here. And Osmosis should have all the data. Let's see how far back. Oh, nice. Okay, so you just taken off. I have not heard of this one. I haven't run across it, but I was looking over at my app, the Osmosis app last night, and I'm like, man, they've got so many coins over there. And a lot from a lot of different chains. It's not just Cosmos chains. I mean, there's all kinds of, they got some cool, it's a nice place to trade. It's really growing a lot. All right, so this little guy has made it above the 0.5 fib. She's headed toward 618. She's headed toward 4.5 cents. Can you mark a line for me? Nope, not going to do it. It's going to be difficult. Can we get a horizontal line? I'll go with that. I think you can shoot for 5.7 cents. From there, she's going to head up close to a dime. so nice. Now she's getting a little top heavy there. If there is a pullback, ooh baby, she could come back about a 50% drop. That could definitely happen. If it doesn't make it above 4.5 cents, we may be pulling back to 2 cents. That could happen. If it makes it above 4.5 cents, go ahead and start looking for 5.6, 5.7 cents to come in the work. And that's pretty nice. So from here, what is that? It's about another 8% to it tops out and may get rejected at 4.5. And about another 33% move to it gets up for a second 786 fib level there. Interesting. Well, cool. Well, if you got in earlier, you made some gains there, so that was possibly some nice gains depending on where you got in. But just from the SR flip there, you doubled your money right there. Nice move. And that was not even on my radar at all. Where did you go? So Tori was where? She was at 7 cents. Interesting play. I need to make a note. I need to try to look into that one a little bit more. Let's see what we got here. Looking into Sakai Vault now. Haven't heard of that one either. And Bubba says, can you look at Spartan Protocol? Yeah, I sure can. Sakai Vault. Where you guys, is it crypto Twitter? Is this where you guys are hearing about all these? Low cap gems and everything? 8, because I've not heard of this one either. $8 million market cap, extremely low. 8 million total supply, 8 million maximum supply. Self-reported supply is 2.7 million, so a good chunk of it is out there. It's available on PancakeSwap, BitGet, MEXC, Digifinex. All-time high was 7 months ago. This thing was $8.82. We're sitting at $3.84 right now. Interesting. So $8 million market cap, only 2.7 million out there. If all the coins are out there, this would be a $30 million market cap, holding it at $3.84. For it to hold 384. Interesting. What does you? Sakai Vault is a new decentralized exchange platform that provides fast and secure transactions at low fees. They all say that. Its perpetual exchange feature enables traders to engage in futures trading without expiration dates. While its AI-powered trading strategies offer an informed, that yawn was for free, and profitable trading experience. Okay, Sakai Vault is at the forefront of DeFi 2.0. Okay, so we got a DeFi play. Interesting, okay. I don't know if I can chart this one. Well, yeah, I guess I can if we got it on MEXC. Sakai. Sakai. Over on MEX. Oh, baby. All right, well, on the daily, you're getting ready to get the big golden cross there, so good call there. You're front running that one. That is your official buy signal on the daily. Nice rounded shape there. We like the rounded shapes. The rounded bottoms just give me the little tingles. Says port resistance area right now, so That's a key area. They've got to get above. Let's see if it fibs out on us. Are you? Yeah, you're. Oh, well, you got past this one. This is the one I'm always concerned about, is the 236. So you've already made it past that, or it's already made it past that. It's just getting rejected up here, or testing the 382. Now my little clue here is my Ichimoku Cloud being way over here, away from price action. Kind of tells me it's got a good shot of breaking on up through there, and if it can get through the 382, it can get up to the 618. So that's the target at $5.58 at the 618. Actually, this would make a great little trade setup, being that it is at a Fibonacci area. It's either going to make it above this, or it's going to get rejected there and come back down to around 262. It is one of those two things. So that means for a trade, this is on XC. All right. This actually does make a really juicy trade setup. What I like about it is that once you get an area like this, you know, you wait for the breakout. You wait for a price to actually break up above that level, hopefully retest it, confirm it. Sometimes it just keeps on going. It never does come back. I mean, sometimes. But that's when you want to get in, is once we get over that and we confirm that we're not, you know, going to come down and do something like this, right? And then you just ride it up. And once you do that, well, you can set a nice little tight stop loss below this line. Because if we come back below this line, well, chances are this trade is just screwed up anyway, and we're coming down. So great place to set up a trade. I love setting them up there. So you can put some nice tight stop losses, like, you know, 5-6%, 7, you know, and likely not get stopped out. I would probably look at the 4-day or 4-hour to do my stop losses. That's just me. But and it's also has a chance to come up to 689. So I mean, there's like a part 2 to this, so it's kind of cool. So taking this trade, if I like it a lot. That's a great little setup. Looking at buying about 370. Yeah, it's below where we are. It's starting to break out of this right now. We'll take a look at the 4-hour and just kind of confirm this after I get some prices here thrown up. But buying at 3 after you confirm 375. Target's 560. Possible another target is 687, and that would be an 86% gain. Coming to 560 is 51% gain. You got the green light on Market Cipher. More go ahead, and like I said, if you get past this 382 level, once you break past that, it's up. And there's not much resistance past 490. Once you get past 490, it could easily come up to 692, maybe even more. It topped out at there at 858, so we got to throw that up there too. But I see some nice strong upside coming, especially with that buy signal. So I think I also want to share this one. That's a nice one. Okay, so this is daily chart. This is Sakai Vault. And this one's available on XC daily chart. So we do a little swing trade idea. If I can tie it. All right, we got that one thrown up over there. So nice. I like what I'm seeing on that. Dog, can you please take a look at Spartan Protocol? Man, I've forgotten all about that little guy. Okay, it is Sparta. 300 million maximum supply, 98 million circulating supply. Ooh, look at that juicy little market cap. 734,000. Not even at a million. This is at 0.007. Haven't seen this little guy in a while. Spartan Protocol. Spartan Dex, Mexi Exchange, Bitcoin Exchange. Let's see a little bit about what this is. Swap tokens fast and private. Stake LP tokens, claim every second. The Sparta token. Maximum supply. No team tokens. Fair distribution. Oh, POB and bond. Fair launch. No ICO. Burned supply is 57 million. Circulating supply is 98. Interesting. So, swap tokens fast, transparent, and let's open the DApp. Yeah, I don't know what that is. All right, so okay, so an exchange swap, liquidity provider. Okay, Dex kind of play here. Yeah, interesting. What kind of interest rates you got over there? 78%. What else you got? What else you got? Liquidity. All right, so interesting little play there. Let's take a look at